10 Best High-Yield Savings Accounts for 2025. High-yield savings accounts are a powerful way to grow your money securely, offering interest rates well above those of traditional savings accounts. With APYs currently reaching as high as 5.50%, these accounts can help maximize returns on your savings without the need to lock funds in long-term investments. This guide highlights the top high-yield savings accounts for 2025, each offering unique features like low minimum deposits, zero maintenance fees, and accessible online management tools. A savings account with Varo. Although the annual percentage yield APY of the Varo Savings Account is 3.0%, some conditions must be met to receive a higher APY of 5.0% on balances up to $5,000. We require that you have a Varo bank account and that you receive direct deposits of at least $1,000 per month for you to be eligible for the 5.00% annual percentage yield. In addition to this, you will be required to have a positive balance in both your Varo bank account and your savings account at the end of each month. For individuals who struggle to put money aside for savings, Varo provides several automated savings options, including the following. Hold on to your change. Your purchases will be rounded up to the next dollar, and the change will be transferred to your savings account whenever possible. Through the use of Save Your Pay, you can choose a portion of your paycheck that will be deposited into your savings account automatically whenever it is received through direct deposit. Who ought to make use of it? People who are willing to have a Varo bank account and are able to make monthly direct deposits of at least $1,000 into their account are the ideal candidates for the Varo Savings Account. Due to the fact that the account earns the highest annual percentage yield, APY, available, it is also perfect for individuals who intend to hold a balance in their account of $5,000 or less. Performance savings are offered by EverBank. The EverBank Performance Savings Account is an excellent choice for individuals who prioritize avoiding fees above all else in their financial planning. There are no monthly, overdraft, or non-sufficient funds penalties that EverBank imposes. The annual percentage yield of 5.05% is still extremely respectable, despite the fact that it is not the top on our list. The Performance Savings Account is an excellent choice in every respect because it offers a reasonable interest rate, is insured by the FDIC, and does not charge any fees. EverBank also provides a comprehensive assortment of certificates of deposit CDs with annual percentage yields APY that can reach up to 4.30%. If you want to avoid costs while still earning a high annual percentage yield, this account is the best option for you. A high-yield savings account offered by OpenBank. Your money is protected by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, because OpenBank is a new online division of Santander Bank. 5.25% annual percentage yield is the primary selling point of this account. According to our ranking, that rate is the highest. The opening deposit for the account is $500, and there are no costs associated with it. It is important to take note that this account is not accessible in some states located in the northeastern region, including Connecticut, Delaware, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, and Rhode Island. This account is ideal for individuals who reside in a state that meets the requirements, are interested in earning a high annual percentage yield APY, and are willing to take a chance on customer service because OpenBank is a relatively new financial institution. The high-yield savings account from My Banking Direct. While there are a few competitors on this list who do not require a minimum deposit, My Banking Direct's annual percentage yield APY of 5.00% is more than sufficient to compensate for the requirement of a minimum deposit of $500. This rate is among the highest that we have seen on our list. In addition, once you have opened the account, you will continue to maintain that high rate as long as your balance remains greater than $1. There is no monthly fee associated with this account, and My Banking Direct has received high ratings on both the Apple 4.7 and Google 4.1 app ecosystems. The funds that you deposit through My Banking Direct are protected by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, up to a maximum of $250,000 per depositor. If you can save at least $500 to create the account, you will be rewarded with one of the best annual percentage yields, APYs, on our list, as well as no monthly fees. Laurel Road saves money with a high yield. KeyBank is the owner of the digital banking platform known as Laurel Road, which is insured by the FDIC. High Yield Savings offers a competitive annual percentage yield APY of 4.50%, and there are no monthly account fees or minimum balance requirements. For the purpose of opening the account, there is no required minimum deposit. A bank account, a credit card, and loans are just a few of the things that are included in its extensive product selection. If you want a savings account that has a high annual percentage yield APY, does not demand a minimum amount or deposit, and does not have any balance limits, Laurel Road could be a good choice for you. Savings with interest from Basque Bank. You may earn an annual percentage yield APY of 4.85% with the Basque Bank Interest Savings Account, and there are no monthly account fees. The account does not have a minimum balance or deposit requirement. Nevertheless, you are required to deposit at least 1 penny within 15 business days of opening the account. Customers have to rely on electronic transfers to access their money because Basque Bank does not provide its customers with a debit or ATM card with their accounts. Even though the bank does not provide checking accounts, it does provide certificates of deposit CDs and a mileage savings account that accumulates American Airlines AAdvantage miles rather than interest revenue. Those individuals who favor digital banking but do not require access to a checking account or an ATM are the ideal candidates for Basque Bank. If you are okay with the idea of relying on electronic transfers, the interest savings account has the potential to earn you a very high annual percentage yield, APY. Online savings account offered by the First Foundation. The FDIC insures the First Foundation online savings account, which offers a 4.90% annual percentage yield APY. The minimum deposit required to open an account is $1,000, which is a significant amount in comparison to the minimum deposits required by other banks on this list. Reimbursement of ATM fees across the country is a wonderful benefit that comes with this account. A maximum of $20 in ATM costs will be reimbursed by First Foundation for each transaction, with no upper limit. First Foundation is a conventional financial institution that operates 31 branches throughout 5 states. However, even if you do not reside near a branch, you can still access your account in its entirety online. There is support accessible by phone 7 days a week for online banking, and assistance with general issues can be obtained by calling at any time of the day or night. First Foundation is the greatest option for individuals who may be utilizing ATMs that are not part of their network because of its generous policy on the repayment of ATM fees. Additionally, it provides those who satisfy the threshold of a $1,000 deposit with satisfactory returns on their money. You can visit the bank to chat with a customer service representative or to access your funds if you reside near a branch. Direct savings with a high yield from UFB. Axis Bank, which is insured by the FDIC, has an online component known as UFB Direct. Its high-yield savings account offers an exceptional annual percentage interest of 4.57%. There are no monthly fees. There are no criteria for a minimum balance, and the highest possible rate is earned by all balance tiers. You are provided with a free ATM card that can be used at any of the 91,000 ATMs located around the country. Specifically, some ATMs even accept deposits of cash. Customers can reach customer service by phone at any time of the day or night, even though UFB Direct only has one physical branch location. You can also access your account by using the highly regarded apps that are available for either Apple or Google. There are a variety of opinions regarding the bank on Trustpilot, and the bank has received an average score of 2.9 out of 5 stars. Those who are comfortable with internet banking can take advantage of one of the greatest high-yield savings rates offered by UFB Direct. If you need assistance, you can get in touch with the bank whenever it is most convenient for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more awesome content like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.